So here's how you can turn off compass on the Apple Watch. Let's get started and let's begin with this. So if this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing as I have plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to be helpful to you. Anyways, the compass might be utilized in multiple different places. For example, a lot of people have the compass watch face on their Apple Watch, in which case you can literally hold down on it and switch to a different one, or at least change the complication for the compass, right? So if it's part of your Apple Watch, like the first screen that you see on the watch, you can change to a different one or customize it in here, right? So you don't have to keep looking at it and you can just turn it off that way. Also, if you have been using the Compass application on your Apple Watch and you want to close it as an app, what you have to do is to double tap the digital crown on the side of your Apple Watch, and this will move you over into this panel where you have the ability to swipe left on the individual icons and just tap the X button next to it, which is like going to close the application, right? So that might be another thing which you might be interested in. Another kind of specific thing which might be going on with your Apple Watch, like for example, in my case with the Apple Watch Ultra, there is the action button, right? So there is not only the digital crown and like the side button, but also the action button on the other side. And that one might be activated to do some different things. For me, it just starts the walking exercise, right? So I can track it, but some people may have it to, automatically start a backtracking feature. And the Compass app opens up instantly, right? So it's possible that this is enabled, right? And you might just want to switch it to be something else. Like it's better to get the iPhone in here and literally change the settings for that. But I'm just mentioning something that might be going on, right? So let me know specifically in the comments below if there is something which which I didn't mention in this video and you still have some problems with. Let me know about that. Subscribe for more and hit the thumbs up if the video has helped you out, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.